Hi friends, today I show you how to submit assignment on Google Classroom. I submit this assignment on my Google Classroom. First of all, go to your browser, then log in your Gmail, then click this Google app option, then search Classroom. I submitting assignment to this classroom. I am going to assignment. This is my assignment. I am leaving this tab. Then add or create your work. Then click Google Drive, add. Then click turn in. Here some condition, turn in your work, turning. Please wait. Run. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel.